Today we are going to learn Urdu with a song. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Sara, and on this channel I provide free Urdu lessons and help you with your Urdu language journey. Whenever I learn other languages like Arabic, Farsi or Spanish, etc., I try to find some stories in Arabic and try to understand Arabic through stories. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to teach you Urdu through a song. I was listening to this song called Aitibar by Junaid Jamshed, and I really like the lyrics. And so what we're going to do, we're going to read the lyrics and then we're going to listen to the song. We're going to see the words and the conjugations, etc. We're going to understand the Urdu used in the song. So first line is एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा. Aitibar is trust. Aitibar bhi, trust too can come. So Aitibar bhi aa hi jayega. Trust will eventually come one day.
एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा. मिलो तो सही.
Milo to sahi. Milo to sahi. So here milo means meet me. Milo to sahi, like milo to sahi means at least try to meet. So here the man is asking the woman to love him or to trust him and to try to start the journey of life with him.
रास्ता कोई मिल ही जाएगा.
Rasta koi mil bhi jayega. Rasta means a way. We can find a way or we shall find the way.
रास्ता कोई मिल ही जाएगा. चलो तो सही. चलो तो सही.
Chalo to sahi. At least try to come. At least try to soften your heart for me.
एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा. आ ही जाएगा. धूप में खड़ा.
Dhoop mein khada. I am standing in the sunlight. Dhoop is the sunlight. Dhoop mein khada. I am standing in the sunlight.
जल रहा हूँ मैं.
Jal raha hu. Jalna is to burn, to get burned. Jal raha hu. I am getting burned. Or I am burning.
साया दो मुझे.
Saya do mujhe. Saya is shade. Saya do. Give me some shade. Saya do mujhe. Mujhe means me. Give me shade.
ये मेरा जुनून.
Ye mera junu. Junu means passion, love, madness.
ये मेरा जुनून.
This is my madness.
ये मेरी जलन है. मेरी सजा.
Ye meri jalan. This is my pain. Jalan is the burning feeling that you get after getting a burn. This is my pain. This is my passion.
है मेरी सजा.
Ye meri saza. Saza means punishment. This is my punishment.
मेरी ये थकन कह रही है क्या.
Meri ye thakan, my tiredness. Thakan is tiredness. Keh rahi hai kya? What is it saying? My weariness is calling out to you.
सुनो तो सही. सुनो तो सही.
Suno to sahi. Suno. So it's just repetition. Please listen to me. Please reach out to me. Hear me. Aitibar bhi aa hi jayega. Aitibar bhi aa hi jayega means the trust will eventually come.
आ ही जाएगा. क्या
क्या हुआ अगर, what happens if.
जिंदगी जरा उलट सी गई
जिंदगी हमें, if this life, जिंदगी हमें, जिंदगी is life, हमें means to us, the life to us भूल सी गई, if the life forgets us,
उलट सी गई
forgot about us.
सोचो तो जरा जंगलों में भी
सोचो तो ज़रा means please think. ज़रा is a polite word. Please think. सोचो तो ज़रा. सोचना is to think. जंगलों में भी, jungle is jungle, as you all know, in the forest, in the jungles.
जंगलों में भी
रास्ते तो हैं. रास्ता is a path. There are paths. There are pathways. There are guiding pathways in every jungle.
हमें भी कोई मिल ही जाएगा
हमें भी कोई मिल ही जाएगा. हमें भी कोई, we will also find such a path. We'll also find a way. हमें भी कोई मिल ही जाएगा.
चलो तो सही चलो तो सही प्यार प्यार भी हो ही जाएगा
प्यार व्यार भी हो ही जाएगा. Love will also eventually come. He is assuring the woman that the love will eventually come and she'll find a way to love him.
मिलो तो सही रास्ता कोई
It's just, so now it's just repeating the lyrics. So it's just, so now it's just repetition.
चलो तो सही एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा
But this song is really great for learning imperatives. As you can see, there's so many informal imperatives like socho, milo, karo, etc. I hope you have learned a lot. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. I hope you have a lovely day. I'll see you again. Goodbye.